Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you would like this kind of content, please like and subscribe and let me know that you came to visit. And welcome back, YouTube family. Here we are with another hairstyle for a child, or it could be for an adult. This is going to be an updo. And right now you can see I'm starting on the side just to give her 2 cornrows that are going to be hanging down on the side. And then I'll add some beads to it later. Part off for the flower petal design that I'm going to be doing, and this hairstyle was inspired by a picture I saw on Benita D. King's YouTube channel like a while back, and also I recently just saw the picture again on Instagram on Brown Girls Hair's page. I'm not for sure who the original source is though, because the picture doesn't have any logo or name attached to it. So I'm just doing my interpretation of the picture. I like the flower design and I also like the updo, but I didn't do stitch braids. I just did regular cornrows because we were doing it at night so that her hair could look decent for the week. So I did it really big cornrows, and that's why I didn't do stitch braids. But just I'll let you guys go ahead and watch and see how I did this updo because I'm starting to ramble. Now all the cornrows are done, so I kind of cornrowed all the cornrows together and then twirl them into a bun. And then I'll use bobby pins to secure that bun. And I have beads on some of the bobby pins, so it looks like little white pearl-like things in her bun on the... My hands a lot to maneuver her head since we are not in the styling chair. She's just sitting in a regular chair this time because I'm sitting down. So the video is sped up. I am not jerking her head or hurting her neck. It's just that the video is sped up, so it looks like I'm forcing her head in directions, but I'm actually not. I'm just gently moving it. and she likes it, and here are the final results.